Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily find blocked users on Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram app. Then you can scroll down through all of your chats list, and once you find a user that you want to block, you just can enter a conversation with that user. Once you did that, you can just tap right here at user's name, and then you can tap at block user, and then you can confirm it to block that specific user on Telegram. If you can't find a user here in the chats, you can scroll up to the very top, and now it shows you search box here. You can tap on that and then just start typing someone's username in that way, and then you can select any conversation, and in the same way you can block that user. So once you did that, you are able to unblock any of that users. You can easily do that from the block list, and let me show you how you can easily find the block list. So all you have to do is right here tap on settings, then tap on privacy and security, and right here towards the very bottom of that screen you can find that blocked users list. You can just get into it to see all the users that you have blocked ever on Telegram. There would be all the users, all Telegram groups, and all Telegram channels. You can scroll down to see that list, and in any time you can open up blocked users list, and from here you are able to unblock them in that simple way. Just swipe to the left and hit on unblock. So now I can unblock any user doing swipe left and hitting on unblock. And also from here you can tap at block user feature, and now you can block any user right from here. You can just scroll through all of that users list, and then in that simple way you can block any user, any group, or any Telegram channel. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.